morning students. Today we will discuss different ways to connect our computer, laptop, electronic devices to the internet. Children, what type of internet connection we should select, it depends on internet service provider also, it depends on region also, it depends on speed. Speed in sense that what speed is given by internet service provider for downloading a file from the internet, for uploading a file to the internet. Cost and speeds are matching according to our requirement or not. Availability, sometimes we like that we want to use the wireless internet connection, but that is available in our area or not. Reliability, after taking the internet connection, what type of services provided by internet service provider, their services are reliable or not, is it convenient to use that type of connection or not for our requirement. So, all these factors matters when we are selecting a way to connect our device with internet. First children, we will discuss about dial-up connection. Children, it is the oldest way of connecting our computer with the internet, and in dial-up connection just we dial a phone number from computer or laptop to just take access to the World Wide Web. Children, in this type of connection, what happened? We just connect our computer with the telephone lines, and through the telephone lines we use internet facility on our computer. But in this type of connection, what happened children, that because we are just using the telephone lines, so we just, when we are using the internet, that time we cannot receive and make a phone calls. If we have to just make a call, then we have to just stop using the internet on our computer. This type of dial-up connection was popular when we were using the landline connections, and that time internet was not much more popular children. In this type of connection, what happened? We use a modem, a device. We connect our computer with the modem, and modem is connected with the telephone lines. When we just transfer any data from our computer, modem first converts our data from digital to the analog signals, then it transfer to the telephone cables. Now from telephone cables it reach to the internet service providers modem children, where it can again convert data from analog to digital and transfer to the computer. In this type of method, speed is only 56 kilobits per second. And children, when internet was not in use, popularly using by the people, that time it was okay, because that time people were only using internet for checking the emails and seeing some websites. But now when we want to just use the internet for watching the HD movies, downloading songs, playing games online, watching the videos, transferring the files at very fast speed, regularly we are just sending and receiving the emails, in that case dial-up connection is not very suitable. Now we will discuss some advantages and disadvantages. First advantage, we can say this type of connection is very low cost, it is very cheap. Safety, why safety? Because in this data travels in form of analog signals, so there is a less chance of hacking the data. Availability, because in this type of connection public telephone network is using children, so it is available. Disadvantage is very low speed, and also it requires phone lines. Also, as I told you, when we are using internet through phone lines, that time we cannot use our phone, root busy, and that is the reason speed is also very slow. Now we will discuss about another type of connection, that is digital subscriber line. Children, you can say it is a better version of dial-up internet. It is faster and its quality is better than the dial-up connection. In this type of connection, what happened? Copper wire telephone line is used, and one more advantage over dial-up is that children, that at the same time we can do both the work. We can use the internet also, as well as we can just avail the telephone facility. We can just receive the call, we can just do call while we are surfing the internet. It is a type of broadband connection. Broadband connection means it provides higher speed than the dial-up connection, and speed is 64 kilobits to 128 kilobits per second. As I told you, we just can do calling also and we can serve the net also. It means voice and data can be transfer at the same time, and this type of connection is popular in metropolitan area network. And children, for using the DSL connection, internet service provider their special modem, DSL modem, to connect our computer with digital subscriber line. Now, third type of connection we will discuss is a cable connection. In cable connection, children, cable internet operates on cable TV lines. We all are using the cable TV connection to just see the high definition movies, videos. So, this is a fastest way of just using the internet as compared to the DSL and dial-up connection. As you can see in this picture, what happened children, in this cable modem is used, and coaxial cable is very much popular for the cable connection. Its speed is 1.5 megabits per second. Children, in this what happened, the telephone line, TV line that is coming to our home has a splitter, that one is connected with our cable TV box and another is connected with cable modem. So, the data that is for computer just transfer to the cable modem, and from cable modem it transfer to our computer, and the data that is for the cable TV transfer to the cable TV box to the our television set. Leased line connection. Children, this is a high speed internet connections especially used by the business organization, and it is a dedicated fixed bandwidth internet connection. It means it is a private connection that is taken by the business on monthly payment, and in that the organization has a private connection, in that only from the business organization to the ISP data transfer, and bandwidth is also fixed for downloading and uploading because it is not shared by other users. And in this type of connections, fiber optical cables are used definitely. So, speed is very much fast children. And what is the advantage to the business organization to take the lease line connections? The organization can just use the internet quickly for downloading, uploading. They can just use for online meetings. They use this lease line connection to connect their different branch offices that are at different locations. Even they allow their employees to work from home by connecting their home computer with the office computers. So, lease line connections are especially used by the business organizations. So, these are some wired based ways to connect our computer with the internet. Thank you.